Hello dear students, welcome to the chemistry sessions. Very good morning to everybody. Let us today we are going to the part of this nomenclature of carbonyl compound, that is specifics, aldehyde and ketones. Here the words aldehyde and ketones, for aldehyde the word is used as al, and this word for ketone word is what on. The last letter is used on, last letter is used al. So what is, so if you are given for example this aldehyde. First one example is for the aldehydes. If we are having the one of the example, this for Sc double bond OH. And is the second one example, you can write this for the CH3C double bond OH. So the second one, third one example, you can write this for the CH3CH2, CH3CH2 C double bond OH. You can write this fourth one example, you can write this for the CH3CH2. CH2, again what another one is carbon atom is 3 or CHO. So what is that? This is one carbon atom is common name. What is the common name? You can write this what a common name. The common name of this aldehyde and ketones is not a common name. First of all, the aldehyde. What is the common name and what is the IUPAC name? What is the IUPAC? International Pure Applied Chemistry. So that the common name is what? Aldehyde is formaldehyde. And it's nothing but what? Formaldehyde. This is what a common name of these types of the compound. Acetaldehyde. So you can listen to acetaldehyde. So that is what common name. So acetaldehyde, there is 2 carbon atoms. 3 carbon atom is nothing but what? Propionaldehyde. This name is what? Propionaldehyde. This is nothing but what? Propionaldehyde. 4 carbon atom. 1 number, 2 number, 3 number, 4 number. So this is nothing but what? Beauty, that is what a butyraldehyde. This is what a butyraldehyde. So common name of these types of the compound: formaldehyde, 1 carbon atom, 2 carbon, acetaldehyde, 3 carbon atom, propionaldehyde, and 4 carbon is our butyraldehyde. If there is a 5 carbon atom is present, it is nothing but N-valeraldehyde. So that is what a N-valeraldehyde of the 5 carbon atom. So I'm writing down here. This is the types of the compound. Is next what this is what says this is the next one of the aldehydes. What is the common IUPAC name? This IUPAC name of such type of the compound is what? This is 1 carbon atoms. IUPAC name, this is what a methanol. So what is the standard name of the aldehyde is what a 1 carbon. This parent name methanol. The last word is what is this is nothing but what a propanol. This is what ethanol. This is what a ethanol. Again what a 3 carbon atom, it is nothing but what a propanol. This is the propanol. Again what a 4 carbon atom, it is nothing but a butanol. So that is nothing but pulpal herpal. यहाँ पे last word use करना है pul. This is for IUPAC name. This is what a propanol. So this type is 1 propanol and 1 butanol. So again this we got a carbon atom is more carbon atom. यहाँ पे हम carbon atom की संख्या लेंगे, that is what you can take CH3 atom, CH3, CH2, again what a CHO. 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon, 4 carbon, 5 carbon. So what is nothing but what? The name of this types of the compound is nothing but what? N-valeraldehyde, N-butyral. You can see also more than 2 carbon atom. N what is used here? N-propanaldehyde, N-butyraldehyde. So N-valeraldehyde, valeraldehyde. This types of the compound name of this is the 5 carbon atom aldehyde. 5 carbon atoms aldehyde is nothing but N-valeraldehyde. So what is the name of the IUPAC name? This is nothing but what a pentanol. You can this one pentanol. I say this one pentanol. This is the 5 carbon pentanol. Herpal. So that is what you can take. This is the CHO. This is the what another types of the example of this is the IUPAC name as well as common name of aldehyde. So the next one example CHO, again you can take this is nothing but CHO. This is what a glyoxal. The types of the compound is common name of this types of the compound is glyoxal. So next one compound you can take this is nothing but IUPAC name of such types of the compound is nothing but oxal. This is the glyoxaldehyde. This is the glyoxaldehyde. The name of the compound is nothing but glyoxaldehyde. So the another example will take is what CH double bond here, C double bond O. So this is nothing but 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon. So what is the name of these types of the compound? It is nothing but proline. So So name of the common name of the types of the compound in the word acrolein, and this is the word IUPAC name acrylaldehyde. This is the word acrylaldehyde. Acrylaldehyde. The name of this common name of the compound in the word acrylaldehyde. This is what acrylaldehyde. So another types of the example we'll take. So what is that? We'll take this one of the carbon atom, this one double bond, and this is the word C double bond O. So what is the name of this types of the compound? So this is the word mesetyl. What is that? Mesetyl. So that is the name of the compound in the word mesitylene or mesetyl. Okay, sorry, यहाँ पे इसका नाम आएगा आपका. So that is the word acryl. ये acrolein है, acrylaldehyde. This is the word crotoline. This is the word crotolaldehyde. Croton. So the word CH crotonaldehyde. So the name of the compound in the word crotonaldehyde. This is the crotonaldehyde. Again, what the name of the example? Next example of this is the crotonaldehyde. So IUPAC name of this carbon 2, carbon 3, carbon 4. What is butter 2 enol. So the butter water, you can this is the butter 2 enol. So that is but 2 enol. So that is the name of the but 2 in. Saturation is there, but 2 enol. So another types of the compound will goes toward this water, that is nothing but aromatic compound. So here we are having these types of the compound in the number of benzene plus CHO. So what is the number? Benzaldehyde. You can say this is the benzaldehyde. This is the benzaldehyde. This is nothing but 4-chloro or para. You can say this is the para-chloro. So that is nothing but para-chlorobenzaldehyde. What is the IUPAC name? The IUPAC name of this type of the compound 4-chlorobenzaldehyde. So these are the example of the IUPAC name of such types of the compound 4-chlorobenzaldehyde. So another types of the example we will take. This one is the number CHO, and this is what OH atom is here. So what is the name? This is the number orthohydroxybenzaldehyde. क्या बोलेंगे? Orthohydroxybenzaldehyde. So another name of the example. This is the number common IUPAC name is what? 2-hydroxybenzaldehyde. The name of the compound in the number 2-hydroxybenzaldehyde. So benzene aldehyde is in the number benzaldehyde, 2-hydroxybenzaldehyde. So another types of the example we will take this sort of CHO at ortho position. CHO can see the number CHO at ortho position is there. So what is the name? This is the number phthalaldehyde. So the example name is phthalaldehyde. Phthalaldehyde. The name of the example is nothing but phthalaldehyde. So this is the phthalaldehyde. It is nothing but what is the nothing but benzene. What is the common IUPAC name? This is nothing but what? Benzene 1,2. Benzene 1,2 dicarbaldehyde. This is nothing but what? Benzene 1,2 dicarbaldehyde. क्या नाम है इसका? Benzene 1,2 dicarbaldehyde. So next example we will take this another types of the example. There is our CHO at a para position. CHO at a para position. This is nothing but what? Here the it is nothing but what? Phthalaldehyde. The para position. This is nothing but what? Terphthalaldehyde. The name of the example is nothing but what? Terphthalaldehyde. Ter word is used here. So this is nothing but what? 1,4 di. This is nothing but benzene. You can say this is benzene. The first word is just benzene. Benzene what? The word is ordered benzene 1,4. That is what? Benzene 1,4 dicarbaldehyde. Benzene 1,4 dicarbaldehyde. The word is in the but dicarbaldehyde is there. If the cyclic compound, very simple. The name is ordered the cyclic compound is there. What I can say this types of the compound this CHO is here. So this is nothing but cyclohexane carbaldehyde. The name of the example is nothing but cyclohexane carbaldehyde. This is the cyclohexane carbaldehyde, cyclopentane carbaldehyde, cyclobutane carbaldehyde. You can take this sort of cyclohexane carbaldehyde, cyclopentane. You can see another types of the example. This is a 4 number 5 member. Cyclopentane carbaldehyde, cyclopropane carbaldehyde, cyclobutane carbaldehyde. Those sisters types of the example. Then what are specific? This is what a carbaldehyde. What is that? Carbaldehyde. The next example. This is another types of the example. You can take this order. So what is the IUPAC name? यहाँ पे हमको IUPAC name पूछा जा सकता है. We can take this cyclohexane ring and this is the double bond is the hydroxy portion and the bromine portion here. We have the hydroxy and here the bromine atom. So here the as per the rules you have to give the number from here and the complete the cycle ring. There is the unsaturation is there. 3 number, 4 number, 5 number, 6 number. So what is the IUPAC name? ऐसे टाइप्स के कंपाउंड आपको एग्जाम में पूछे जाते हैं. So what is the IUPAC name here? So that is what 4 bromo. कैसे 4 bromo. Again what 2 hydroxy, sorry 6 hydroxy. 4 bromo 6 hydroxy or 4 bromo 6 hydroxy. Cyclohex 1 in carbaldehyde. So these are the example name of the such type of compound. This is what 4 bromo. This is the 4 bromo 6 hydroxy bromo. Alphabetically नाम दे रहा है. B पहला आएगा, H बाद में आएगा. So that 4 bromo 6 hydroxy cyclohexane. 1 क्यों बोला? 1 in क्यों बोला यहाँ पे? 1 in carbaldehyde. 1 in carbaldehyde what है? Because of the one position में क्या है? Double bond है. That's why 4 bromo 6 hydroxy cyclohex 1 in carbaldehyde. This is the IUPAC name of such type of compound. If you have another types of the compound, this is nothing but cyclopentane is there, and one of the double bond is there, double bond ketone is there. You can take this CHO atom. So you can this another types of the example. You can take this aldehyde group is there. What is that? Aldehyde. यहाँ पे हम aldehyde group लेंगे कौन सा भी? If you have this is the cyclopentane. यहाँ पे CHO group है. So that is nothing but what you can double bond is here, and the methyl group is here, and this is one methyl group is here. So again start this is name of the compound is here. So you can take this types of the compound is here. Okay. So number कहाँ से start करना है? You can numbering from start from here. 1 number, 2 number, 3 number, 4 number, 5 number. क्या बोलना पड़ेगा? 1 5 dimethyl. 1 5 dimethyl इसका नाम है 1 5 dimethyl. So that is nothing but cyclopane double bond 1 पे 1 in cyclopane 1 in carbaldehyde. So these are the example of such types of the compound. That is nothing but what aldehyde compound. Then we are going to add this approaching of this is the ketone. What is the nomenclature of this ketone is what? We are having this the ketone very simple. We are going to have the nomenclature of the ketone acetone. We have this is the name of the compound is CH3. Example is CH3. Again you can take this CH3. One of the example two example है वो यहाँ पे common name में क्या लिखेंगे? What is the common name? What is the IUPAC name? International Union Pure Applied Chemistry. So what is the name? What is the name of the sustainable compound? This is what acetone. क्या बोलते हैं? Ketone. Dimethyl. You can say this is nothing but the dimethyl. What I can say? Dimethyl what? Dimethyl ketone. Again what two? So that is the dimethyl ketone or what? Dimethyl ketone acetone or यहाँ पे IUPAC नाम क्या आएगा? Proper to owner or you can say this is nothing but what 2 propanone what 2 propanone. देखो लास्ट लेटर क्या आ रहा है? ओन आ रहा है. So use in the IUPAC name this is own. अभी यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? बट 2 बोलो यार 2 butanone बोलो 2 butanone. You can say this one 2 butanone. ओन आ रहा है, लास्ट में ओन आ रहा है. You can say this is the name of the compound is what diethyl. यहाँ पे देखो 1 नंबर 2 नंबर 3 नंबर 4 नंबर. यहाँ पे एथिल ग्रुप है, यहाँ पे मेथिल ग्रुप है. क्या बोलेंगे? एथिल व्हाट? एथिल methyl ketone. Example name of the example is what? Ethyl methyl ketone. Or you can say this is but 2 or 2 butanone. This example of the name of the compound is nothing but IUPAC name. This is 2 butanone but 2 or. So another example you can say CH3 here, double bond is here. So that is the name. What is that? You can alpha beta unsaturated ketone. This is commonly known as common name. This is nothing but alpha beta. This is alpha carbon. This is beta carbon. alpha beta unsaturated, alpha beta unsaturated, alpha beta unsaturated what? Carbonyl compound. What I can say? Alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. This is the name of the example of such type of compound. This is not again our alphabet name. क्या आएगा? एक नंबर, दो नंबर, तीन नंबर. Select the longest continuous carbon chain. यहाँ पे आपको नंबर यहाँ से देना है क्योंकि डबल वन भी आना है. This one is what? What? Name of the example. But 2 in. So this is the position number. But 1 in 2 on